there, Chris.
Hi, Karli.
What are you a weekend camper in?
I am a weekend camper in a 22-foot Forest River Forester Class C. And it's right here, and I travel with a cargo van behind me so that I can go razor riding. And there's my razor. I'm gonna check it out.
You got a cute little puppy in it.
I do. He's my co-pilot. He wears goggles and kind of rides in the passenger seat as we travel. Unless I have a passenger with me, then he rides in my lap. It's kind of awesome. So
yes.
Check it out.
Hey guys, it's Curious Karli, and before I get into this really awesome interview, I want to remind you that you can look down in the description below and see all other links you can support me and reach out to me outside of the comments, and I would really appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up, and I'll get right into this interview. Wow, it's very nice in here. What year did you say it was?
It's a 15. The way they make them, the chassis is like a 14, and then the body, it's a 15. So I guess they call it a 14, I guess.
Nice.
Yes. Yeah, so it's brand new. I bought it brand new. Bought it in California. Flew from Utah to California to an RV dealer there because the prices were way less than I could have bought them in Utah. And so I drove it, or I flew to California, bought it, and then they, in order to not register in California, I had the company paid for a tow lady to drive it with me and my friends to Nevada. So she towed her car behind. We got to the Nevada line, met at a truck stop, signed the paperwork. She unhitched her car, drove back to California, and we kept driving and went back to Utah. So kind of a cool way to do it. I'd never done it before, but
that's awesome.
This is it. Yeah, it's kind of
cool.
Like it. So check it out. Yeah, it's kind of got everything that you need.
Got the oven, stove top, microwave.
Yep.
And do you run off a solar or generator?
Generator.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
I want to get solar panels, but I'm kind of chicken to put them on the roof. So I've seen a lot of people out here at the RTR that have them on the ground, like little panels that just tilt up or whatever.
Yes.
I'm going to get those.
Yes. Those are great.
Yeah.
So much storage. You've got 2 beds.
So I've got 3 beds actually. So the upper bunk where all my crap is right now, that is a bed for sleeping. And then this actually, the cushions go down and the table sits down, and this makes into a bed. But if you are a tall person, this is not the perfect bed. If you're a short person, it's awesome. Your feet hang off the end, which is kind of interesting. I think that's actually why they did it, so somebody's feet could hang off the end and sleep. And then the cool part about this and why I bought it was that this is a regular queen size bed. And if I didn't have my crap on the floor, you could actually walk around it. So if you're here with 2 people, both people can get out of bed and not having to crawl over each other, which is a huge deal for anyone who's living in a motorhome and have ever had to crawl over anyone else to get out of bed in the morning. It's not pleasant. No. So that's the reason that I bought it. But then the mattress is split in half because the slide, only half the bed slides in. So the top part of the mattress slides up over the bottom part of the mattress. Oh, okay. So it's kind of cool.
Interesting. Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah.
And what is this blanket here?
Oh, this is my company. It's called She Loves Camping. Just starting it. It's kind of a inspirational YouTube channel and website aimed at teaching women to camp and to believe in themselves and to be able to know that they can do it. You can do this. You can come out and camp with Karli. You can camp with me. Women can do this, and if they believe in themselves enough. And so that's what this company is all about, is helping to let women know that they can believe in themselves and do anything that they want.
It's awesome. Yeah. I love that. Yeah. I love that.
Yeah. So I hate the colors, not going to lie. I guess I'll tell you that. Because it's brown and more brown. And if any of your viewers have ever been in any other campers that are newer like this, they're all brown for whatever reason. And so I plan to...
They want to make all the fake wood look real.
Yeah, it's horrible. And it's not even real. Like, it's like this paper, like you can see this nick here. It's just like a little piece of paper that they like laminate onto, I don't know, particle board or something. So this summer's project is I'm going to repaint, and it's all going to be white and pretty and awesome. So I will be redecorating this home away from home. Nice. Yeah.
And it's got, does it have a shower?
It does. It does have a shower. So right here, so the cool part about this is that it's got a bathroom. The sink is separate from the bathroom. Nice. So that you can come in and wash your hands and do everything that you need to do without actually having to open the bathroom door. And then the bathroom's got a pretty big size shower with a skylight.
It does.
Right now, because I am boondocking and I didn't de-winterize my motorhome, I didn't want to run water through the pipes in case they froze. So that big bucket right there is just water that I'm using in my toilet. So I'm kind of like you, Carly. I'm kind of getting my water out of a bucket right now.
Yeah.
So yeah, so that sits in the shower. But then when I'm out, like at the lake or whatever, I will shower. It's heaven. I shouldn't say this to some of your audience because you guys probably don't get to shower when you're camping.
Well, it depends.
But I get to, it's nice to be able to shower at the end of a day at the lake or whatever, so the shower comes in handy. And then it's got, this is a wardrobe closet, so they put this, you know, hanging area that you can hang stuff, but I end up just stacking stuff and shelves, and there's lots of storage. Like each of the benches has storage underneath it, so you can store, like I have blankets and just extra stuff for in case somebody needs it in this one, and then I have all my winter gear and riding gear in that one, so there's a ton of storage space.
And you've got your dog bed?
Yes, so my dog rides right there. He's a little manic when I drive, and I can't decide if it's because he gets car sick or if it's just because he's so dang excited to get where he's so dang excited to get where he's going that he starts like panting and going crazy. So I found if he rode right there next to me that he settles down a little bit.
Oh, good.
So he gets to ride in there, or he sits in the passenger seat and sticks his face out the window. So it works.
Good.
And he does better. It's got my shoe storage. Kind of becomes my closet, my collection of Crocs. Everyone who wears Crocs, you guys rock. I will tell you that. Everyone who doesn't, you need to. Just telling you.
I used to rock them when I was in school.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I love them. And everybody teases me that, you know, your dignity leaks out the holes. And
oh my gosh, that's funny.
All my friends like send me random Facebook posts and stuff about Crocs. And
I saw your post about all the Crocs.
Yeah,
you
I
had
have
them
like 7
out.
pairs of Crocs in my motorhome right now, and they're just the perfect shoe. I get Crocs, don't listen to this part, but I get they're ugly. Get it. Anybody who's ever worn them understands they're not so attractive, but they're comfortable and functional. So
that's true.
Yeah. Don't know what else I have to tell you. I can tell you that if you ever get an RV like this, watch out for that step. Because the step, especially after a really fun night with some friends, if you get what my meaning, becomes a very big tripping hazard, or a fall out of bed hazard. So full-size fridge, well, not full-size, but regular size fridge. I guess you can see
bigger than a college fridge.
Bigger than a college fridge. But the cool part is it has a freezer, and it's a big freezer. So I've got lots of food. Oh, I didn't actually remember I had all that food in there. Better dinner for me tonight. I totally forgot I had all that food in there. And then a cooktop. Guess that's it. I don't know.
I like it. Did these come with it?
No, my dad made these.
Nice.
Yeah, he actually took the wood, each of these little pieces of wood, and he glued them all together and sanded it all down. It was just a great big sheet. And then we came in and measured the dimensions and kind of followed the template of the countertop and cut them all out and routed it so that it would go around the sink. Mm-hmm. And it's where I store all my dirty dishes.
Oh, that's a nice big sink.
Yeah. It mostly becomes where all the dirty dishes get hidden so that I don't have to do them. And they're just invisible. Look at that. Dishes are done.
Dishes are gone.
Dishes are done.
They're all gone.
So there you go. That's pretty much it.
Well, and tell me about your story of camping, because you were doing a She Loves Camping, and you've done it your whole life.
Yes, I have camped since I was 8, and I turned 50 in 10 days. So I've camped for 42 years and love it. Camp every other weekend or every weekend, and I just love to connect with people. I love to connect in nature. I love to be out and smell. Like the desert smell out here is amazing. The mountain smells. You've been out there. You wake up in the morning and you're just like, oh my God, this is heaven. So I've camped, and I am now just starting this business teaching women to go do it so that they can also experience that and be out. And the cool part about camping, and with meeting the van life community, is there's something special in the camping community, don't you think? Just this bonding, you can show up at this huge event with all of these people, and I've met this amazing group of women that we all are the same. We all have this same common bond that we like to camp. We all have this same common interest, common thread, and I really think camping is the ultimate equalizer, because I'm in a motorhome, you're in a van, there's people in trailers, there's people, like one of the ladies I'm camping with, her van is like $135,000. And it doesn't matter because we're all getting dirty the same, we're all getting campfire smell the same, we all have crazy hair during the day, and it doesn't matter. So that's the beauty of camping, is that everybody is just the same. We're all a similar spirit, and the money doesn't seem to matter out here, which is what I love the most, is that we can all just be and exist, and you know, wear no makeup or wear makeup, or wear the same clothes for a couple of days in a row, you know, and no one cares. So I even think that it's okay to stink sometimes, you know, like, it doesn't even matter that, right? So that's the beauty of camping, and that's really why I've done it for my whole life. My parents have done it, my siblings do it. I have a huge group of friends at home that all go camping together, and it's a passion of mine. I love it, and haven't yet made the transition to go full-time on the road. Don't know if I will, honestly. I have a beautiful house at home that I just renovated, and I kind of might want to stay and just go on the weekends. I don't know. Just kind of figuring that out, but meeting people like you and all of the other women that I've met have just been, it's been cool.
Yeah, and a lot of people go part-time for a few months of the year, and you know, maybe during the cold season. I
can tell you right now, I haven't checked weather, but I left home about a week ago and it was 14 degrees when I was pulling out of my driveway. And being here where it's now finally, you know, it's been cold for the last week, but being here and being warm today is just heaven, because I'm sure it's freezing cold at my house, and so in Utah. So it's nice to travel and be around and in different places.
Yeah, it's super awesome. Well, thank you for talking with me, Chris. And we'll go check out your stuff at She Loves Camping. Yeah, so it's, my website's shelovescamping.com. I'm on Facebook at She Loves to Camp. Instagram is She Loves Camping, Twitter She Loves Camping, so you can check me out. And I'm just launching, through Karli's help, I'm just launching a YouTube channel. I got inspired to launch my first 3 videos yesterday. It's kind of about my adventure here at the RTR. Since I don't have a lot of subscribers yet, I'm just new, I can't have a channel called She Loves Camping, but I'm pretty sure if you searched it you could find it. And then once I have, like, I think 100 subscribers, I can get a channel that's called She Loves Camping, so that's my goal. So go check me out. Nice. Okay, we'll see you there. See ya. Bye.